Everybody stood still. It was not just the startling swish of the soaring stones that shocked the scantily clad, sleepy residents, but it was what was left in space and sweeping closer and closer to Earth that made their skin stand on edge. Thousands of stars had just fallen into the Earth's atmosphere, but it was the striped path that the stellar beings scratched through the sky that made the people stare in stupendous wonder. What was spliced in the heavens was not just a straight line made by the stalactite-like meteors, but an open swath in the evening sky, ever slowly spiraling nearer and nearer to the planet. Normally, a stretch of night sky void of stars would be standard. Clouds, day or night, covering the sparkling lights were expected. Often, stratus layers swallowed visibility completely. This evening was simply different. The cavernous swipe was not standing still. It was stooping lower and lower as scared spectators helplessly viewed the celestial abyss. Steadily, as if overtly spying, the open space spilled over the remaining stars. This spontaneous black hole did not have the stealth of a stork or the sporadic smell of a skunk, striking fear into the swarms of screaming people. The space swiftly continued. There was no stopping the coming strength. Clocks struck the morning hour, when students would normally get up and go to school. But the sky stayed dark. Scientists started to skillfully study the phenomenon that by the second threatened to swamp the planet. Historians started to recall stories of the past to explain it away. Scholars started to speculate as to the meaning. Spiritualists started to consult the spirits. What could be done to stop it? What could be done to halt the coming scourge? What could be done to steady this screwy spectacle? The Earth itself seemed to react to this encroaching galactic scandal. Lakes, rivers, and streams rose and heated as if they were stuttering and stammering, doing their best to speak of the impending doom. Even the streets buckled and strained under the stampeding steps of the crowds as they raced to places that they felt would stave off their destiny. But, alas, no scientist could stop it. No scholar or student could study it. No historian could explain it. And no spiritualist could scour the stymied and stumped spirits when they themselves were shaken into a stirring stupor. The darkened gap in the sky could not be stopped. As if a stinging script was written in the stars, the Earth's sphere would soon be strangled. All this long-time staunch and stalwart planet could do was wait and wonder. Would strength or destruction be its stated destiny? Only after a small stint of time would the answer be shown.